For the first 13 years of my life, my dad was a mean and brutal drunk. It got real bad. Till he ended up going to AA meetings at the Union Mission for Men. Well, things got a lot better. Dad ended up going back to school and coming back to the mission and working as the accountant under the director at the time, Ian McPhee. The mission also gave us a place to live when our house got condemned. 29 Waller, apartment 2, which is the upstairs of the little house right beside the mission. That was our apartment, or at least, for the longest time. I think I was married by the time he moved out of there. Yeah, I was. Yeah. My mom and dad would work at the mission. Dad would work as an accountant. Mom would work in the kitchen. And they even gave me a job when I was 16. Introduced me to Chef Anton and hired me as a dishwasher / kitchen attendant. And that's what got me interested in my culinary career, which I've never had a culinary career per se because I don't have the stamina to be a chef, although how much I would love to be one. Like there's no chairs in the kitchen. Well, not since old Peter died anyway. But because the mission helped out my family so much, that's why I want to do this commercial for them. And they didn't ask me to. They didn't suggest it. That I just noticed their webpage and thought back and said, you know what? It's time to do something for your community. So I'm going to be putting this commercial in my videos, a third of my videos for the next year. Yeah, they've really impacted my life. Good ways, bad ways, but mostly in the memories. And definitely helped out my dad. He used to tell me on a daily basis, son, if I didn't work there, I'd live there. And I didn't get it. I didn't know what he meant. I do now. Yeah. Well, did I not introduce myself? I'm sorry. I'm Don the Anti-Chef. More importantly, I'm Don Wellborn. John Wellborn's son. Thank you, Union Mission. Thank you. Hey, I stopped the video here because you guys don't need to see me blather on for about half an hour. But if you have stories about the blue door, actually, originally it was a gray door, and then it was kind of a flesh-colored door, which was really disgusting. And then it was a blue door, and it stayed a blue door, and became known as the blue door. So if you have stories about the blue door, 35 Waller, Union Mission for Men in Ottawa, leave them down below in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And if you have some time, some extra money, or just want to talk to people, there's the address and phone number, and there's the website. So, thanks for listening. Back to our show.